Alright, I got 2 unboxing videos coming up today. This one, which will be a quick-ass unboxing. Quick-ass eBay unboxing. Right here. 1 DVD. That's some sweet action. He has his own eBay business card. I want to keep that. I'm probably going to keep this. Just in case I ever decide to buy off of him again. $7.75 shipped. It's a good deal for any ROH DVD. It's in decent condition. ROH, respect is earned. 2-disc set. Disc 1. Disc 2. Both in good shape. Okay, cool. Another DVD to the collection. It has some wear, but it's alright. For the price I got it, it's fine. It's still a good price either way. I'm gonna go put this by my ROH DVDs in a few minutes. Right after I record the next unboxing video, which will be from WWE Shop.